Hello guys, good morning. Today I will be cooking dinner and we are craving for some fish dish. So I'm going to be cooking our bangus steak, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do the prep up until the cooking process. So I'm just gonna introduce you first the ingredients. Of course, we have bangus here. This is already boneless, but you can definitely use the regular bangus which is not yet boneless. We have here garlic and on white onion. They're already chopped. It's semi minced. We have here peppercorn, laurel leaves, and ground pepper. We have soy sauce. We have vinegar. I'm going to be using Sukang Ilocos. This is the black vinegar. And we have fresh calamansi juice. So let's start first with the marinating process, wherein I'm going to be mixing everything in a bowl. Okay, so first thing would be 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Next will be 1/4 cup of our vinegar. Again, I'm using Isokong Ilocos vinegar, so it's color black. Then I'm just gonna be adding our garlic, then onion, and then our 3 peppers. I mean, yeah, 3. And then of course our 1.5 tablespoon of calamansi juice, fresh calamansi juice. I forgot to tell you guys that I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar as well. Then you just need to mix it very well. Okay, so after mixing it, we will just be putting this in this bowl. We have to make sure that the fish is soaked with the marinating sauce. Okay. If you guys are asking if I will be adding water, no. I might be adding water on the cooking process, but not on the marinating process. We want to make sure that the marinating process is as, flavorful. The fish absorbed the flavor as much as it can. So I'm gonna be marinating this for an hour or longer if you guys prefer, but for me, I'm just gonna marinate this for an hour. So I just want to let you know that I'm partnering sauteed veggie or vegetable as well for our today's dinner. So share ko na lang din. So I have here 1 piece of sayote medium and half of a cauliflower. I got garlic and onions, spring onions. I got 1/8 cup of patis. We're gonna be putting salt and pepper as well to taste, just a bit of the salt and ground pepper. And I'm gonna be adding this. This is the leftover steamed veggie and egg that I made the last time, which you guys will see on my previous video. I'm gonna be adding this to add in, it's going to be the meat of it, even if it's not really a meat. Alright, so let me go ahead and cook that while we are doing the marinating process. Alright, so let's go ahead and start. First thing would be, I'm gonna be putting 2 tablespoons of oil in our pan. Any oil will do. Then let's go ahead and put our garlic. Just fry it until it's fragrant already, or we're achieving a golden brown texture. Next, we're going to be putting our white onion. Mix it again. Next is our spring onion. Next, we will be putting our sayote already. Mix it all throughout. Next will be, we're going to be putting our fish sauce already. And then ground pepper. I might not be putting salt anymore because I believe the fish sauce is already enough for me. Give it a good mix. Then I'm gonna be putting the leftover egg, steamed egg pumpkin that I did the last time. This is optional, guys. I just wanna add something on my veggie, and probably it would, you know, act like a meat in it. And it's healthy because it has a pumpkin as well. So. But you can just put regular egg, or you can choose not to just put anything at all. So from there, let's cover it. Let's cover it for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, oh there, steamy, we're gonna be adding our broccoli already. And have it a good mix. Smells good already, so we're all set. Then I'm gonna cover it for additional 4 minutes, and then it should be all done. Alright guys, so after 4 minutes, this should be okay. I'm just gonna put a final mix. And our veggie is completely cooked already. Look. It smells delicious and looks delicious. So now I'm gonna proceed with the cooking of our main dish, which is our bangus steak. Alright guys, so it's already more than an hour. Actually, yeah, more than an hour. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take it off from our marinating bowl. And make sure that you remove all the excess sauce, because you don't want to have fight with the oil later on while frying it. So I'm gonna be putting paper towel to absorb it. But if you guys have anything to use to strain, because I don't have, so I'm just gonna use paper towel. Then you can do it. So there. Alright, so this should be it. Okay, get the light there. And then we will be starting the frying process. And set this aside. We're still gonna be using this later on for the sauce. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you we will be needing onion rings for this, for the finished touch. So you can remove them already or separate them already. And then we're just gonna fry this semi-fried, should not be fully cooked. So I prepared oil here. Gonna be putting some. So guys, just make sure that this is not overcooked. It's just supposed to be half cooked. So I'm just just gonna do half cooking here, and I'll be removing it from pan already. So this should be okay already. So now let's start with the frying. Be careful, this is going to be very hot. Be careful, that would be very hot, so you can cover it with the lid up until it's cooked. Sorry that the heat is medium heat, you don't want to burn it. Just flip it over, and then I'm gonna be cooking the outer side, and then I'll be doing the same process with the rest of the fish. So I'm gonna be cooking this for additional 3 minutes. Alright guys, so this will be the last batch. It's not burnt, it's the color of the soy sauce and the sugar, but it's not burnt. And right after this, we're gonna be creating the steak texture already. Alright guys, so it's all fried already. So I needed to transfer it to a different pot because it might be a bit bitter when you get the, fried garlic and all. So I transferred it with a different pot. Here, I just transferred some of the oil because that is in flavors already, and we use that. And we're gonna be putting our marinated sauce. And we're just going to be adding half a cup of water. And let's just let that boil. Alright guys, so it's already boiling. I'm going to be putting slurry water or a mixture of cornstarch and water just to thicken the sauce a bit. Just going to be putting that. And mix it, and from there we can already put the fried fishes one by one. Make sure that they should be soaked in it. And then we'll cover this and simmer this for 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, so I just want you to have a glimpse on how it looks like while it's simmering, but this is not yet cooked. Around 2 more minutes and it should be all done. Alright, so it's all done already. I'm gonna be serving this already. I will turn off the fire and it's all good. And it smells so good right now. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. This is now our bangus steak. And this is the one that we have cooked earlier. Our broccoli and sayote. Right, there you go. A last glimpse. So look at that. Wow. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe for you guys to be able to see my next videos. And you can press the bell button as well for you guys to be notified in case I have another recipes. Thank you so much.